Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
MLA ka Umroi constituency ba George Bilengdo. Hagas ni balang ulakantu ya ka sarkar jalla bakan Sngap lem ya ka sur jongkitu ki trai khendo Kiba Pyrshah ya ka jingtmu jong ka Indra Dhanush Gas Grid Limited ban penya yakal air leng ba ki pipeline ni gas pipeline. Habawan ra ya ka court motion hayeng dorbar thawan. Uba George ulaong ba ka IGGL katmu ban penya ya ki gas pipeline na ki hinyo pheun rew tili kisnong Kibadan ha ki South Tili ki district. Kini ki kentop ya lai phau tili kisnong hari bhoi khadwei tili kisnong ha East Khasi Hills khadar tili kisnong ha West Jante Hills bat arphau lai tili kisnong ha East Jante Hills. Ya kini ki gas pipeline latmu ban penyat na Meghalaya ban pen Pyrshah ki wei pat ki benta jong ka than chatai lami ngi. Uba George ulaong dan bun ki trai khendo ki ban shakta na ka jing penyat ya ki gas pipeline jong ka IGGL. Henry dan na pedeng ki trai khendo ki ba petiang bat don ki balakentan. Nalor kata ulaya thu bakador baka sarkar Assam ka siu syakitrai khendo kiba ai jaka ban penyat ki gas pipeline ka kham he shibunsha ulabu jingkeliru la ka sarkar Meghalaya kathmu ne em ban pendan kam dakador ba siu syakitrai khendo kiba ai jaka ban chna ki surak ba namar kane ka dei kador ka baren habaya nu jor bat kador ka ba siu da ka sarkar Assam. Uba George ulakan turu ya ka sarkar bakan dapat bat nujor bat kador bala ai da ka sarkar Assam. Nalor kata ulakali baka sarkar kan le kumno bat kitu kitrai khendau ki ba Pyrshah ya ka jing penyat ya ki gas pipeline.
Honorable Speaker, sir, I beg to move that the total provision of 101 crore 42 lakhs 36,000 under the grant number 6, Major Head 2029 Land Revenue at page 41 of the budget be reduced by rupee 1, that is the amount of the whole grant of 101 crore 42 lakhs 36,000 to stand reduced to rupee 1.
Motion moved. You may now initiate discussion.
Sir, I'd like to be very brief and specific, drawing the attention of the Honourable Minister. Sir, regarding the current intention of the Indra Dhanush Gas Grid Limited, where they are trying to lay the gas pipelines across 4 districts, affecting 76 villages, 30 villages in Ribhoi, East Khasi Hills 11 villages, West Jante Hills 12 villages, and East Jante Hills 23 villages. So this entire pipeline work to ensure that the gas travels across Meghalaya to other parts of the northeast is affecting several villages, as the department is already in the know. So, 2 submissions. One, there are many beneficiaries or affected persons and whose farmlands will be affected due to the passage of the gas pipeline. Most of them also have, there's a mixed response. Some have accepted, some have rejected the proposal. That's number 1, sir. Number 2, sir, as the department is yet to fix the rates, sir, there is this comparison between the initiatives taken by the Government of Assam and Government of Meghalaya, where the rates fixed by the Government of Assam for the gas pipeline, for the beneficiaries, that is much higher, sir, than the ones that are currently being planned by the Government of Meghalaya, sir. The Government of Meghalaya intends, it seems, to use the rates provided by the National Highway. But then, sir, I think the department should also exercise its mind to compare with the rates that are given by the Government of Assam for the farmland owners whose property will be affected because of the passage of the pipeline, sir. So, sir, what does the government, the department intend to do, sir, with the beneficiaries who are objecting to the passage of the pipeline, sir, and also to this submission regarding the rates, sir? These are 2 concerns, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I thank the Honourable Member for moving the card motion relating to the style and functioning of Revenue and Disaster Management Department. Sir, here I'll read it out regarding with this style and functioning of our departments, which the Honourable Member.
So only the point specific to the issues raised.
Okay, so be specific.
Be brief, sir. We don't.
Yes, sir. If I'm not mistaken, sir, I remember last time we had we had a discussion regarding this gas pipeline, which I have been mentioned point by point. But as of now, I don't have all the details with me, but a few points I'll be mentioned, sir, regarding with this affected the beneficiaries. Yes, sir, there's no doubt there will be, whenever any kind of development we bring in the states, and then whenever there will be always opposition will be there who will oppose that they will not accept regarding that pipeline will go through the field. But sir, I would just like to mention that when it comes to this compensation will be paid to all these to all the beneficiaries, and for the time period until the pipeline, until that soil can be utilized for farming, the other period of time, they will still get the payment for that compensation. So that will be one thing I would like to clarify, sir. But yes, last time I couldn't get a chance to reply it since it's quite late. I remember I had prepared for this, but luckily that today it came for this. So, sir, the rate is yet to be fixed, sir. No doubt, it will be fixed. It will be fixed with district administration and competent authorities, sir, when it comes to the rate. So after having when they fix it, sir, so we will bring it to the notice of all the beneficiaries. So as of now, I cannot say what will be the rates fixed when it comes to this, sir.
So the intention of bringing the current motion is to draw to the attention of the government, sir, regarding the rates as well as regarding the beneficiaries who are opposing the project. So much effort is required to ensure that the beneficiaries who are opposing the project, they are reached out to and their concerns are heard. That's number one. Number two, sir, the rates. Since, as the Honourable Minister has already said, that the rates are yet to be fixed. So my submission was to also compare the rates that are, or the processes and the rates laid down by the government of Assam for the same pipeline, sir, because it is it is a national project, so it's passing through various states. So the rates have to be in consultation with the government of Assam also, so that we don't use the rates that are being given to state highways and national highways, sir. These are my concerns, sir. So I would request the Minister to kindly give his attention to this particular problem, sir.
Yes, sir, point noted, sir. So we will look into it and we'll try to coordinate with the Assam. So we'll see what will be the rate fix. So if possible, we'll try to ask for more higher if possible, so that our beneficiaries will get much benefited.
So with that assurance, sir, I would like to withdraw the current motion.